Hello friends and good morning to all of you. Once again I welcome to all of you in my English YouTube channel. The three questions are lesson from standard 10 it is going on and the two videos we have already uploaded. Now here we are going to make an end of the lesson from page number 54. Yesterday we have seen hermit and king both were discussing about the three questions. The king couldn't get the answer from hermit, but repeatedly he was asking the same question again and again. At the same time, a wounded person, a bearded man, one who was badly injured, he came out from the forest and he stood directly. He had fallen down in front of the king. Now, king, he had used his efforts and somewhere by using the different types of method he tried to save the life of the stranger man, the bearded man. Now who was that person in it and for what purpose he came there and he disturbed the two, hermit and the king. Here we are going to discuss from page number 54, passage number 2. Meanwhile the sun had set and it had become cool. So the king, with hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut. The man lay there quietly with his eyes closed. By now, the king was so tired after his walk and the work he had done that he lay down himself and also fell asleep. Now, it was the time of night, isn't it? The wounded man, he was carried inside the hut by hermit and king. As these people they came inside the hut, the king, one who was so much tired on that day, immediately as he lay down on the ground, immediately he fall asleep in it. And that was the condition, means the person one who was very tired, immediately he adjusted somewhere in the corner and the king like person, he slept very peacefully in that hut. Next, that he lay down himself and also fell asleep. When he awoke in the morning, it took him some time to remember where he was and who was the strange bearded man lying by his side, gazing intently at him. And as the morning came, or it was during the time of morning, as the king he woke up, yes, he took some time to remember where he was and what purpose he came in that hut. He also tried to remember who is this person who was looking at him very carefully. म्हणजे रात्री ज्यावेळेस झोपला जातो राजा, सकाळी ज्यावेळेस उठतो त्यावेळेस थोडासा वेळ घेतो की आपण या ठिकाणी आलो कसे, बरोबर, आपण या झोपडीमध्ये झोपलो कसे, किंवा आपल्यासमोर जो अनोळखी व्यक्ती दिसतोय तो आपल्याकडे सारखं सारखं का बघतोय, ही गोष्ट आठवताना थोडासा जो वेळ घेतो, पटकन त्याला त्या गोष्टी आठवतात आणि इथंच डिस्कशन सुरू होते. द फर्स्ट डायलॉग इट वॉज स्पोकन बाय the bearded man. "Forgive me," said the bearded man in a big voice when he saw that king was awake and was looking at him. Isn't it? Not good morning, good afternoon, not or nothing. Isn't it? Immediately, as soon as the king woke up, as soon as he get down or he sat as it is on the bed, immediately the question came, "Forgive me." Isn't it? म्हणजे bearded man डायरेक्ट म्हणजे हात जोडून क्षमा याचना करतो आणि राजे मला माफ करा. येस, सगळ्यात अगोदरचा त्याचा हा डायलॉग मला. येस, द किंग वॉज अनेबल टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट ॲक्च्युअली इज गोइंग ऑन. isn't it? The person is totally new for me. I hadn't met this person before in my life. Isn't it? And how a new person directly asking me and directly he was begging for my pardon. माझी माफी कशासाठी मागतोय हेच मला कळत नाही. दॅट टाइम द किंग आस्क्ड ऑर द किंग व्हॉट ही सेड, "I do not know you and I have nothing to forgive you for," said the king. You are totally new. I haven't done for you and for what reason I shall I forgive you? I don't understand. तुला मी ओळखत नाही किंवा यस तुझ्यासाठी मी कुठलं काम देखील केलं नाही, बरोबर, मग तू माझ्याकडे कुठे कामाला देखील नाहीस, मग कशासाठी ही माफी कशासाठी? "You do not know me but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore to revenge himself on you because you executed his brother and seized his property." That was the truth. Somewhere in the past, the brother of that wounded man, he was killed by the king. The property of the brother, it was seized, it was totally captured by the king, and for that matter, the person, the bearded he decided and to take a revenge against the king. बरोबर, म्हणजे माझा बियर्डेड मॅन किंवा तो जखमी व्यक्ती बोलत असतो की कधीतरी भूतकाळामध्ये माझ्या भावाला तुम्ही मारलेलं, त्याची सगळी संपत्ती तुम्ही लुटलेली किंवा हडप केलेली, आणि त्याच वेळेस मी एक शपथ किंवा प्रण घेतलेला की तुम्हाला देखील मी मारणार, जीवनिशी मारणार. अँड फॉर दॅट रिझन आय केम हिअर yesterday in the evening. Next is, I knew you had gone alone to see the hermit and I resolved to kill you. Means I had kept a watch on your each and every activity. तुमच्यावर किंवा तुमच्या प्रत्येक हालचालीवर माझी नजर होती, आणि ज्यावेळेस मला कळाले यस तुम्ही एक दिवस बाहेर निघणार आणि हर्मिटच्या झोपडीकडे जाणार, त्यावेळेस मी ठरवलं की यस हाच एक क्षण असेल की यावेळेस मी राजाला बाहेर कुठेतरी मारणार, ज्यावेळेस त्याच्याबरोबर कुणी देखील नसणार. And therefore I resolved to kill on your way back, but day passed and you did not return. So I came out of my ambush to find you. And throughout the day I was waiting for you, but you couldn't return on that road again. And therefore somewhere I hid myself in the forest. कुठेतरी मी देखील दबा धरून बसलेलो जंगलामध्ये. दिवस जातोय, तुम्ही येत नाही. मग संध्याकाळच्या वेळेस मीच बाहेर निघतो, आणि ज्यावेळेस मी तुम्हाला मारण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार त्याच वेळेस तुमचे जे बॉडीगार्ड्स कुठेतरी सेट आहेत किंवा लपलेले होते, त्यांनी मला ओळखले आणि त्यांनी माझ्यावरती अटॅक केला आणि मला भयानक पद्धतीने किंवा प्रकारे जखमी केले. अँड कॉज ऑफ दॅट आय वॉज रनिंग अँड आय केम अँड आय हॅड फॉलन डाऊन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सो आय केम आउट ऑफ माय ambush to find you. Your bodyguards recognized me and wounded me. I escaped from them but would have bled to death had you not graced my wound. I wished to kill you, but you have saved my life. Now, if I live and if you wish it, I shall serve you all my life. Isn't it? Actually, it was my intention to kill you, to take revenge against you. तुम्हाला मारणं आणि बदला घेणं हाच एक माझा उद्देश. त्याच उद्देशाच्या आधारे मी आयुष्य जगत होतो. परंतु काल ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला मारण्याच्या प्रयत्नामध्ये मी बाहेर निघालो जंगलातनं, बरोबर, त्यावेळेस मात्र तुमच्या सैनिकांनी मला ओळखलं आणि त्यांनी माझ्यावरती हल्ला केला. मला भयानक प्रकारे त्यांनी जखमी केले, आणि ज्या जखमी अवस्थेत तुमच्यासमोर मी आलो त्यावेळेस तुम्ही मला ओळखलं नाही. परंतु याला मदतीची गरज आहे किंवा बियर्डेड मॅनला मदतीची गरज होती, म्हणून डायरेक्ट त्याला मदत करून त्याचे प्राण वाचवले. Therefore it is a promise made by the bearded man. Henceforth I shall serve myself and my life, yes, in your service or at your company. इथून पुढे जे आयुष्य असेल, उर्वरित आयुष्य तुमच्या सर्व्हिससाठी मी खर्च करेल, माझं आयुष्य आणि माझं पूर्ण लाईफ देखील. The king was very glad to have made peace with an enemy so easily and to have gained him for a friend. And it is known as the method. Actually, enemy was totally unknown for the king, but directly, indirectly, enemy he became a friend of the king. मस्त आहे. शत्रू कोण आहे हे राजाला देखील माहीत नसतं, पण एक छोटीशी मदत, ज्या मदतीमुळं बियर्डेड मॅनचा प्राण वाचतो, त्या मदतीमुळं तो शत्रू देखील आता राजाचा मित्र होतो. आणि ही एक गोष्ट समाधानासाठी किंवा आनंदासाठी राजासाठी असते. He not only forgave him but said he would send his men and his own physician to attend him. The king then took leave him and went out of the hut to look for the hermit. Before going away, he wished one more to beg for an answer to the question he had asked. Like, and finally, as king was ready to come out from that hut, he promised to the wounded man, yes, he would send a physician or a doctor and he would send his people for the help of wounded man. यस, तुझ्या मदतीसाठी काही डॉक्टरांची एक टीम किंवा काही डॉक्टर ॲज वेल ॲज माझे काही लोक मी पाठवतो, आणि पुन्हा एकदा तुला लवकरात लवकर रिकवर करण्याचा प्रयत्न आम्ही आमच्या माणसांच्या आधारे करूया किंवा करणार. एवढं बोलत ज्यावेळेस राजा निरोप घेऊन बाहेर निघतो, पुन्हा एकदा राजाच्या डोक्यामध्ये परत एकदा तेच 3 क्वेश्चन येतात, आणि 3 क्वेश्चनच्या आन्सरसाठी आता मात्र त्याची नजर हर्मिटकडे असते. हर्मिटला तो शोधण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. ज्यावेळेस हर्मिट त्याच्यासाठी बाहेर उभा असतो, दॅट टाइम वन्स अगेन इट वॉज द टाइम टू रिमेंबर द 3 क्वेश्चन. हर्मिट वॉज आउटसाइड ऑन हिज knees sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. बरोबर, म्हणजे कालच्या दुपारी किंवा संध्याकाळी जे बेड्स किंवा जे वाफे छोटे छोटे तयार केले त्या वाफ्यांमध्ये आता बिया रोपण्याचं काम हा हर्मिट करत होता. बरोबर, मग ते काम चालू असताना परत एकदा राजा त्या ठिकाणी जातो आणि परत एकदा आठवण करून देतोय हर्मिट, येस इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड, इफ यू लाईक, यू कॅन आन्सर माय क्वेश्चन, and if you don't, yes, I have to leave from this place permanently. The king approached him and said, for the last time, I pray you to answer my question, wise man. आता शेवटची एक विनंती तुम्हाला करतो की खरंच माझ्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं तुमच्याकडे मला मिळतील का? Yes, now very first time the brief discussion or the brief dialogue it was used by hermit, and what he said, you have already been answered, said the hermit, still crouching on his knees, still crouching on his thin legs and looking up at the king who stood before him. Indeed, and the person he was in a same bending condition. Indeed, means both the knees were bended and he was sowing small seeds somewhere inside the soil. And in that same condition, he just said, "You have already got the answer of your 3 questions. What do you mean?" asked the king. म्हणजे मला उत्तर देण्याची गरज नाही का, कारण ते उत्तर तू स्वतः काल मिळवलेले आहे. असं ज्यावेळेस हर्मिट राजाला सांगतो त्यावेळेस राजा देखील थोडासा शॉक आणि व्हॉट डू यू मीन, किंवा तुम्हाला म्हणायचे काय किंवा तुम्हाला नेमकं सांगायचं काय हे थोडंसं एक्सप्लेन करून सांगा. डू यू नॉट सी, रिप्लायड द हर्मिट, if you would not pitied my weakness yesterday and stayed to dig these beds for me, you would have gone back and been killed by that man. Isn't it? Once again, if you would not pitied my weakness yesterday and stayed to dig these beds for me, you would have gone back and been killed by that man. Actually, yesterday, as you came, you thought that, or you felt very pity. Because of that, you took the spade and you helped me in my work. As you were helping me in my work, complete time you had spent with me, and because of that, you couldn't get time to return at home. And for that reason, yes, your life it has been saved, or you will save your own life. मस्त आहे, काल मला मदत तू केली म्हणून तुझा बराचसा वेळ या ठिकाणी गेला आणि म्हणूनच काल तुझे प्राण वाचले. का? कारण मला मदत न करता तू जर रिटर्न गेला असता तर 100% तुझे प्राण त्या ठिकाणी गेले असते किंवा तुझा जीव या बियर्डेड मॅनने घेतला असता. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds and I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. Afterwards, the most important time was when you were attending that man, for you would not bound his wound, he would have died without having made peace with you. Indeed, means when you were digging and when you were helping me in my work, that is known as the answer of your first question. Okay, that is known as the correct time to continue the same activity which is going on. बरोबर, काल ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला मदत करत होता, यस तेच एक काम तुम्हाला तीच एक वेळ यस योग्य होती तुझे प्राण वाचण्यासाठी. सेकंड, द पर्सन whom you are working yesterday, ज्या माणसासाठी तू मदत करत होता, ज्या माणसाला तू मदत करत होता, तो व्यक्ती तुझ्यासाठी महत्त्वाचा होता. अँड देअरफॉर दॅट इज myself. Means Hermit said, myself, I am the most important person, yes, of that time, yes, of that period in front of you. म्हणजे जे काम तू काल केले ते सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं काम. ओके, जो व्यक्ती ज्या व्यक्तीसाठी तू काम करत होता तो व्यक्ती म्हणजे मी. यस, म्हणजे महत्त्वाचा व्यक्ती तो देखील कोण असेल? मी होतो किंवा मी आहे. दॅट वॉज द आन्सर ऑफ हिज सेकंड क्वेश्चन. अँड if you would not bound his wound, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. Isn't it? Means a man, a stranger person, one who was wounded, you have saved his life. Because of that, yes, to save his life, that is the right word. Okay, to save the life of man, he was the most important person for you, and to make friendship, okay, it is also known as the good work that the king had performed. In this way, the hermit, he was trying to answer the question. He was briefly explaining the questions and the answer to the king. Means when you were digging the ground, that was the right time. Second, when hermit For the hermit, when you were helping to hermit was the most important and the right person for you. And third, yes, when the digging was going on, that was the right word according to the hermit. Cause of that word, the life of the king it was saved. सेम ॲज इट इज ओके. वुंडेड मॅन ज्यावेळेस समोर येतो, वुंडेड मॅनची मदत करणं हे देखील तितकंच महत्त्वाचं काम. येस, अकॉर्डिंग टू हर वुंडेड मॅनचे प्राण वाचवणे, बरोबर, ते देखील सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं एक काम राजाने केलेलं असते. आणि वुंडेड मॅनला किंवा जखमी बिअर्डेड मॅनला अटेंड करणं, त्याला वेळ देऊन त्याची मदत करणं मीन्स अ पर्सन वन हू हॅड सेव्ड बाय द किंग. सेम पर्सन is also known as the most important person according to hermit. Means every time if you have a power, if you have a right, you can do whatever you want. Yes, it is known as the attitude. It is taught by the lesson. Actually, it is known as the power of action. पॉवर ऑफ ॲक्शन. कुठलीही गोष्ट करण्यासाठी असणारा एक अधिकार किंवा असणारी एक पॉवर. येस, इट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट लेसन टॉट बाय हर्मिट टू द किंग. अँड हियर आय वुड लाईक to say that the lesson is over. I hope you have understood the lesson, and same as it is, again we are going to continue the next lesson in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.